over that. He just got out of school.
Who are you?
I'm his cousin.
Where's his cousin?
I'm his cousin. I ain't do nothing. I just got over here. I just got out of school.
You can take me.
I got my phone to myself. Come on. Hey, no, put your hands.
About to go to jail.
You know what? Stop. Get your stop. Sir, stop. Please, sir, stop.
Back it up.
It's my big sister, please. Let's go to the please, I don't know why my big sister. No, who got my big sister?
Step away. Step away.
Oh, what? Get my sister the f off that ground, or every time a stick up on your office. God, let me go. I ain't got no Wi-Fi, man. Let me go.
Where do you live at? Let's get out of here. Now, where do you live at? You're working. All right, keep around. Where do you live at? All right, keep around.
Nobody did to y'all.
I didn't do nothing to you. Stand
Yes,
up.
you did.
That's all I did was put you in cuffs.
Bro, give me the off this ground and get me out of these cuffs and take me home. See how y'all just dropped your body cam?
Calm down. Calm down.
Now.
Hey, calm down.
If you don't live here, leave.
Y'all got my friend. Y'all just taking it away.
Don't live here, leave. If you live here, go to your home.
Come get my phone.
Calm down.
Come in and call my sister.
I told you no. What is Toby?
She want her phone.
No.
So why she put her phone?
Stand back. This is your
Yeah, this is good.
We will. You want to go to jail?
I know. Come to the gardens. They got her in the car, bro.
Step away.
Hey, I'm on the phone. Stop talking. Why you keep talking?
Boy, just wait. Wait till my dad get out here, boy. I'm so...
Get him out of this.
You all right? Where do you live at? All right, you're about to come back to me. Where do you live at? Good. You let me talk. Watch me. Where do you live at? All right, then cool. We're going to handcuffs. Come on. Number 5. Fraud obstruction. Ordering crowd. I can do this all day long. That's called obstruction. Right now, ordering and crowding and obstruction. Do I know the rule? Yeah, I know the rule. I know the rule. Absolutely. I'm not sure where you got that rule from. That's not the rule. You're right. You don't have to. You don't have to. Now it's called ordering and crowding and obstruction. If you do not live on this premises, then you are loitering or prowling, which means you are required to identify yourself to me. If you do live here, and I ask you your name and where you live, and you can't provide it, now you're required to quell my suspicions that you're not loitering or prowling, which is why you're in handcuffs in the back of my car. Now, what's your name? Cameron? I don't want you to be in handcuffs, but I want to take you to jail. I would much rather call your mom to come pick you up.
Hey, yo, hold up. Chill out. First of all, we gonna start this whole thing over.
How y'all doing?
Good.
I'm here about why is my daughter in handcuffs?
Your daughter is in handcuffs because she was fighting and then thought it was a good idea for her to try to swing one. So as of right now, your daughter is about to go to juvenile detention center. You can ask him questions.
Okay, also, where's my son?
I'm sorry.
They tried to tackle. No, this is what happened. She was not fighting. They were jumping a boy, and then Sean had jumped in, and I guess they tried to arrest him too. So that's when the boy came on my
This is the way this works.
That's my daughter, and that's my son. What did I do to my baby?
They tried to tackle. They tried to tackle Rashawn, and that's when she jumped over.
Do we have a Rashawn in custody?
Her brother.
He's the first one to charge that.
No charges on that?
No charges.
So, ma'am, excuse me. So right now, she's not a
You got anything on you? Tell me now. A lighter? Where? Don't reach for it.
514, I call.
Have you been around weed? Because your clothes reek of it. Is there any on you?
I'm gonna check the back of the door. I'm gonna find it if it's there, okay?
You might as well just tell us. Can you sock?
Alright.
Alright. And I'll take your shoes off. Pop this up.
Hey.
Alright. Sit back in the car. She got nothing in her boxers.
Just the joint.
Just the joint. She had weed on it.
no charges, right? No charges. Mom's right there. She comes over. No charges. Mom's on the way. When she gets here, we'll release. Got it?
She had a joint.
You know?
I don't know.
Okay.
Tell me exactly what I want.
So, our officers responded to a fight that just occurred here. When they arrived on scene, a lot of people scattered.
Yeah.
A couple of people came running up, and a couple ended up being detained because they were trying to fight the police officers.
So I'm the new senior manager here.
Okay.
I'm not going to tolerate it. So if you are tied into this and you flip on my property, you're going to get a notice to take it. I already done got it from my ADO.
It's better than the property management.
Okay. I felt dead on my arm. What y'all take her to? My son, y'all just called me.
So he's not getting charged today, but since he's a juvenile, we got to release him to your custody.
So what happened?
Big fight ensued, and we
showed up.
Who was he fighting?
They faced the vehicle for me.
Turn over, CJ.
So I'm not telling you what to do, but I think you need to make better decisions. I didn't say anything. So
He'll be outside.
I'm just saying. The point that I'm trying to make.
We have to take photos. Hey.
The point that I'm trying to get him to understand, regardless if he gets into stuff or not, who do you hang out with? You don't need to hang out with
nobody.
You hang out with somebody.
No.
That's my son. He's not a problem child.
No. Okay.
Every black child is not a problem child.
I didn't say he was.
I'm just saying how he got. He was just walking down with my child and they lost him. He was walking.
So you believe your child over
So out of all the kids that was actually fighting, y'all just retained the kids that was.
This is the way it works. I know about yeah, they don't live here. It's called border control.
What's your name, man?
Officer Johnson, 6 minutes.
Okay.
I don't have a card.
Y'all gonna just put him in handcuffs.
Because
And y'all ain't got a reason.
He wasn't fighting.
He wasn't fighting. He wasn't even fighting. You guys want to video camera. Coming to the house and coming from school. Y'all is something else. Y'all better go to the ones that y'all need to go to.
Stop that.
No. You ain't come on to your mom's house.
Do you know what your charges are? Listen, if I ask you one more question and you shake your head at me and you ask me with attitude, they can go ahead and take you because I'm getting sick of this. Why didn't you tell this man where you live at? This man ain't lying on you. I know your attitude. This man is not lying on you. You should not have came down here. It is a phone in the schoolhouse that you can use. There's several phones there. Somebody is coming to get you. You know that. And then you got an attitude.
Ma'am, thank you.
What's wrong?
Don't get arrested because I ain't want to answer this question.
Okay, Camaro, what's wrong with you? Camaro, you are in somebody else's property. That don't work like that.
I talked to her dad. To that address that they live at over in Iowa. All right, so I called the judge.